Well guys, figured I'd do this little video. Don't know really what to say. I've been thinking about a comment that was posted on my last video about this transmitter, and this individual saying that it's just garbage and I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, I think what I'm probably end up doing here, boys, I'm just going to give up on this because, yeah. I've been trying to do these projects for you guys, post them here on YouTube, and as I've said in previous videos, especially on projects that I've been building, that you know, I am not a professional RF engineer by any stretch of imagination. I am just a radio hobbyist. And yes, I have an amateur radio license and all of that kind of stuff. I got an advanced license. This thing is running into a dummy load, which sits over there. It's a very, very, very extremely low RF power, like 500 milliwatts or less. Hard to say. I spent most of the night last night playing around with the audio from this microphone to drive the C1957. I've tried a whole pile of different combinations of circuits and whatnot, and this and that, and I've tried lots and lots of different things to try to clean up the audio. The audio is there. Transformer here is doing its job. The preamp, which I got over here, which is wired up, I've modified the hell out of this, changed dozens and dozens and dozens of different combinations and components and whatever to try to clear up the audio on this preamp. The audio dumps from the preamp through the transformer, which runs the collector, or the collector of the C1957. I honestly don't know what to say to you guys. I don't know. I don't know. It's like some people here like the builds I do, these little projects, and apparently there are some people out there that really just don't like this kind of thing. I don't understand it myself. What? Like, I don't understand it. I was planning on starting the receiver tonight on that side, and you know something? I had the circuit board out. I was going to build it. I was going to start building the receiver tonight. And then I was just thinking about why. Why should I bother to build this circuit, build a receive circuit on this board, put it inside of this, and show you guys. Because clearly some people out there don't want to see this being built. So, yeah. So unfortunately, I'm going to scrap this. I'm going to stop right where I am and not advance it any further with this project. So, anyway, folks, I know some people like to see it. Some people don't. For the people that are enjoying these kind of builds, I do appreciate the comments and whatnot, but when you're constantly getting bombarded by shit people, shit comments, and putting you down and whatnot, it makes you not want to continue things. So this project, I don't think I'm going to go any further with it. I'm just going to scrap this, pull it all apart, and throw back in the parts bins here until the next project comes. If I even decide to even upload another project video. Then the video on the 12AT7, I figured a lot of people would like that. I got a few views on it and comments and whatnot, but I don't know. I don't know what you guys want to see anymore. I'm getting at the end of my rope. I don't know. It's depressing. Very, very, very depressing. Anyway. Heck with it. Nobody wants to see it. Well, if you don't appreciate the builds, then I won't be showing you. So let's do it.